Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up the alarm clock on your Onyx Boox Note 5. To do this, we'll need to launch the apps right here, go for the clock, now alarm. Right here you can press the plus button to add any new alarm. You can also enable or disable the alarms by pressing the switch next to them. And if you want to edit them, click on the alarm itself. Here you can change the sound, add different tag, specify which days will this alarm work on, and also change the time for the alarm to happen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.